Welcome dear students. As a class 9 No Men Are Foreign নামৰ কবিতাটিৰ question answer সমূহ লৈ আহিছো। তেনেহলে আৰম্ভ কৰো আহা। Question number 1, first question. Beneath all uniforms, what uniforms do you think the poet is speaking about? Answer. The poet is speaking about the dresses and uniforms worn by the people or soldiers of different countries. Though these dresses or uniforms are different, the bodies under them are the same. Next question. How does the poet suggest that all people on earth are the same? Your answer hobo, the poet suggests that people on earth are the same. Because people breathe, wake, sleep, love and live in the same way. After death, we will be buried under the same earth. People get same sunlight, air and water. The poet also says that all people on earth eat their harvest during times of peace and starve during war and winter. Question number 2. In stanza 1, find 5 ways in which we all are alike. Pick out the words. Answer. In stanza 1, the poet says that people of different countries wear different dresses or uniforms, but the bodies under them are the same. All breathe in the same way and walk upon the same earth, and after death we shall lie under the same earth. Question number 3. How many common features can you find in stanza 2? Pick out the words. Answer. The common features in stanza 2 are all people get sunlight, air and water in equal measure. We all live a peaceful life when there is no war and starve during wars and winters. All people have same hands and work hard for their livelihood. Question number 4. Whenever we are told to hate our brothers, when do you think this happens? Why? Who tells us? Should we do as we are told at such times? What does the poet say? Answer. Sometimes some people tell us to hate people from another country for their own benefit. And whenever we think them as our enemy, then we deprive, betray and condemn ourselves. The poet says that we should not take weapons against each other because if we hate others, we are hating none but ourselves. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আমাৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানতে শেষ হৈছে। ধন্যবাদ।